action.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're talking about the next letter in the word reach. It's letter E. E is for enthusiasm. One of the students told me today, enthusiasm means excitement. We're talking about excitement to learn.
Oh,
What do you
I'm
think
excited
about
to
that,
learn.
Socky? You're excited to learn?
I'm always excited to learn.
And what about you, Stinky?
Well, is there any work involved?
Well, this is more fun than it is work, really. You kind of have to work to understand what's going on, but it's fun. Learning can be fun.
Usually, when it comes to learning, I'd rather play my video games.
What do you think of that, Socky?
That sounds like something Stinky would say.
I think we have some work to do to show them that learning can actually be fun and have some enthusiasm for learning, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Do you have any ideas of how we could show Stinky that learning can be fun?
Well, now that you mention it, my teacher showed us a really cool science experiment.
She did. Science can really be fun.
Uh-huh.
What do you think, Stinky? You want to give it a try?
Well, I don't know. Can I go play now?
How about if you just give us a few minutes and we'll see if we can make you be more enthusiastic learner. Someone who's a little more excited to learn. Give us a try.
Yes.
Okay.
I think Socky has a good idea about an experiment.
What's the experiment?
Well, it's called elephant's toothpaste.
What?
You make toothpaste for an elephant.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sounds like it could be fun, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so the first thing we use is some peroxide. Kids, you might have heard about peroxide. It's what moms and dads use to clean out cuts if you get one. And it's kind of fizzy. And it comes in this brown bottle because when light hits the peroxide, it makes it break down and it doesn't work as good. So they put it in a brown bottle to keep out the light. What we're going to do is we're going to mix yeast with the peroxide. Yeast is something you use in bread to make it rise. When you put the yeast into the peroxide, it makes it break down really fast into its parts. So peroxide's made up of two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Kind of what's in water too, right? And when you put them together, bubbles start forming. The bubbles want to escape, but we add some dishwashing detergent to trap the bubbles, and you'll see what happens, okay? Are you ready, girls and boys? You ready, Socky and Stinky?
Yeah, this is fun.
Okay, it's sounding like more fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put a half a cup of peroxide in our bottle. That's the first step. Okay. See if Dr. V can pour this in here without making a big mess. Oh, looks pretty good. All right,
Not
there's
bad.
the peroxide. Okay, and then we're gonna put a big squirt of dishwash soap into our bottle of peroxide.
A big squirt.
A big squirt, okay? Remember, the dishwashing soap is gonna trap those bubbles and you'll see what'll happen, okay? Now, we're gonna drip some food coloring into our mixture. This is gonna give it some color that might look like, what do you think?
Maybe toothpaste.
We want it to look like toothpaste.
Or an elephant.
Or an
Yeah.
elephant, right, Socky? Socky, it seems like you're becoming more enthusiastic about learning.
Oh, I've always been enthusiastic. It's Stinky I'm worried about.
Well, this seems like fun, and I want to see an elephant too.
Oh, I don't know that we're gonna get to see a real elephant. We have our stuffed one here, though, to remind us what we're doing.
Okay.
So, boys and girls, this is kind of cool. I'm putting the food coloring down the sides of the jar. I'm gonna try to make the toothpaste striped. We'll see if it works, okay? I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm using red and blue food coloring, and it's making stripes down the
Cool.
side.
Ooh.
Maybe you guys use toothpaste that's striped. All right, now what I need to do is I need to get some warm water and mix the yeast in it.
Hey, Dr. V,
Yes.
you know what?
What?
My mom would like it if I used more deodorant, I think. Can we make some of that?
Ooh, that might be something for the next time. But you are getting more interested in learning, I can see.
Yay!
That's a good thing.
Yay!
So I'm going to get 3 tablespoons of water, boys and girls.
Maybe you'll even go back to your normal color.
Yeah, I used to be a white sock. Now I'm all brown.
Why?
Well, I got kind of dirty and smelly and stinky.
Oh, that's where you got your name, I bet.
Yay! Yay!
All right. So now I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of yeast with our 3 tablespoons of water. And I'm going to dissolve it. You guys have to help me count to 30. Okay? You ready?
Yup.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! Guess what? Our yeast is all dissolved. Remember now, the yeast is going to make the peroxide break into its parts, and the gas is going to be released, the oxygen part, right? And it's going to want to make bubbles, but the soap is going to trap the bubbles, and let's see what happens. Are you ready?
Ready!
You're ready, Stinky?
Ready!
You ready, Socky?
Oh yeah! Ready.
All right, let's see. I'm pretty excited. Oh boy. There it goes.
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow.
The toothpaste!
Oh my god!
I definitely think we could make toothpaste for an elephant and brush his what?
Tusks!
His tusks. We could brush his tusks.
Yeah,
That looks pretty cool, boys and girls.
it's
Yeah.
still coming out.
Look at, do you think we got Stinky's attention?
I think we did. Look how big his eyes are.
I know.
They're always this big, Socky.
Do you think he's going to be a more enthusiastic learner?
I think he will.
I think he will. It's still coming out, boys and girls.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I didn't know science could be this much fun.
And look what happened. The soap trapped the bubbles, so it turned into what, Socky?
It turned into toothpaste.
Yeah, maybe. I don't think I'm going to try it. But it did turn into foam.
Yeah.
The bubbles couldn't escape into the air and pop.
So
What do you
now
think,
we
boys
have
and girls?
foam. And now I think I hear an elephant.
Oh, we're ready to brush his teeth.
Oh, there is an elephant here.
All right, boys and girls. It's been nice spending science time with you. I hope you are going to be enthusiastic learners. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye!